This week I'm testing the Honda CR-V. It's a 7-seat SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly BabyDrive features. Number 1 is this boot shelf. So when you've got the third row seats collapsed, put it in this position and it evens out the boot floor. But also when you've got it in this position, it gives you this great storage area underneath for shoes, balls and things like that. Number 2 is the conversation mirror. It's great for being able to keep an eye on those little passengers in the back. Number 3 is there's great ventilation in all 3 rows of seats. There's a panel of fans in the ceiling above rows 2 and 3, and you can turn those off from the front. I've really enjoyed driving the Honda CR-V with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.